Hello and welcome to NR Designs, where we integrate your dreams into your spaces. My name is Nidhi Rathod, and today I'm going to take you through this wonderful house designed for Doshi family. When I first met my clients, their key requirements were maximum utilization of space, lot of storage, and a clutter-free modern house. But with all these requirements, we were also very fortunate to have a client who trusted us with all the designs and ideas that were proposed to them. And as you will see, the results has been great. Joint family, everybody had different tastes and likings, which is why you will see a stylish European aesthetics in the living room, which is done up in rich colors, and a classic Chesterfield sofa with those moldings giving a grand look and that old world charm to the space. First bedroom is loaded with pink for the little girls. While the second bedroom looks pretty in pastels, making the room look brighter and bigger. Moving forward to the master bedroom, you will see an ultra-modern fluid concept flowing through the space with subtle colors and great lighting. This family have been living here for a few months now, and they tell me that this house is not only stylish but also very comfortable and functional.
अभी हम लोग ने ये घर लिया, तभी पहले ही दिन से हम लोग को ऐसा इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर ढूंढ रहे थे जो हमारी पूरी की पूरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दे, और तभी जाके हमें निधि जी राठौड़ मिली, और वो हमारा घर आज कंप्लीट हो चुका है। उन्होंने पूरी हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट खुद की समझ के इतना ब्यूटीफुल घर बनाया। थैंक यू सो मच निधि।
નિધિ મેડમે અમારું ઘર એકદમ સરસ બનાવ્યું છે અને કલર કોમ્બિનેશન બહુ સરસ કર્યા છે, એને મહેનત પણ બહુ સારી કરી છે, અમે બધા એનાથી ખુશ છીએ.
I hope you had a good time going through my designs. Please get in touch with us to transform your space. Thank you for watching.